In this video, I will show you how to share your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV with a friend. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. So first, sign into your Google account and make sure you are logged in with a personal Google account. After that, set up Google Family Sharing, go to your account settings and find the Family Sharing option. Now, select it. Follow the prompts to create a family group and then invite family members. You can invite up to 5 other members of your household to join your family group. Invitations can be sent via email or text message. Note that you cannot use a student plan to share NFL Sunday ticket as it only supports one device and one stream at a time. Only the regular YouTube TV NFL Sunday ticket plan allows sharing with family members. Once set up, all invited family members will be able to access NFL Sunday ticket as part of your YouTube TV subscription. And that's it, you're done.